Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Very interesting setup here going into Wednesday. And the main reason that's an interesting setup is there's the big old question mark, and this is not some sort of like great discovery on my part. I assure you, anybody that uses charts, understands charts, is watching and wondering the same thing. And I bring all that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same thing and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic price movements, and that's exactly what we have here with the trend line right there. And in combination with that, the final 30 minutes of the day where volume wasn't gigantic, but still volume, picked up a little bit of pace. And you got the candle sitting right here at that trend line, which up until now has, continually knocked the price further and further downwards. So the question becomes, hey, is a trend line break finally going to happen? Is there going to be some sort of bigger movement to the upside where the price can, muster up enough strength and then get the trend line breakout? Is that guaranteed to happen? No, absolutely not. Is it at least is it at least a rational thought to have and something to pay attention to? Absolutely. So definitely keep a very close eye on that. And if you haven't kind of connected those dots, this 32-cent mark, definitely the very, very important level of resistance, because that's essentially the current value of that resistance level. So let's see if the price, again, can indeed finally get a break above 32 cents and then also stay up above it. In the event, though, it cannot, and the price just rolls right back over as it's done in the past whenever the price has gotten around that trend line, next key level of support to keep an eye on at that point would be down there around the 29-cent mark. So we'll see what happens with it going forward. But yeah, definitely the price is knocking on the door of that trend line. So we'll see if the price can get the trend line breakout or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.